Talk us through it, Ralph.
I think none of us are going in the water. So does Yoni, but you, cameraman, HT, ready?
Yeah. Here we go.
I heard a splosh. Yeah, I heard a splosh.
That's water.
I'm a betting man, but
That's me.
Well, there's a reason why I bet on over one person in the water. It's because I'm going in it.
they call you the narwhal.
I don't even know if there's a drop zone anyway.
Well, oh, it's a par 3, so you can't even. Oh, that's brutal.
That's me fucked.
Yeah. A lot of ground.
That's a lot of ground, that is.
Very clean. Very, very clean. Oh!
Well, I think that's it.
That is absolutely class.
Yeah, quality.
All right. Great shot.
Very good shot.
Great shot.
Thank you. That's my smug face.
So you really centered yourself before it. So
Yeah.
Fair play.
Gone in for the
All right. What club was that?
8.
Ah, ground's hard.
I should have picked this for the closest to the pin, I think.
we just do it on all of them, normally.
I think it's
I
the
did-
next hole. That's
It's the
shortest
5th.
hole.
It's the 5th we're doing it on.
That's going way too far. Ah, I see. That's
Well, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh yes, we like it.
Oh, calm down.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh, I take that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, I think we'll take that.